Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 15 and today I will show you how you can enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this phone. So to get started, you will want to pull down your control center by swiping down from the top right side of the screen like so. And in here you will find a focus tab or button. When you hold it, this will give you 3 additional options, or 2 additional to be precise. So one of them is sleep and the other one is do not disturb. Here you can tap on the 3 dots and then also choose a couple of settings. You can also completely go from here to the actual settings. And let's see what we have access to in here. So we can select what kind of apps, and people will be able to bypass the do not disturb mode, and that's about it. So anyway, whenever you want to enable it, hold it. So minimize this somehow. Oh, there we go. And then just simply press on it. And additionally, once you're done with it, you can turn it off by finding the toggle once more in here and just simply tapping on it. When you enable your do not disturb mode like this, it will actually stay as do not disturb mode now. As you can see, it's a moon icon. So this is basically the default now. So whenever you press on it, it will enable do not disturb mode instead of the focus mode that was previously selected. So there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.